Hello guys, and today I will be showing you how to make a Python auto spammer, auto typer. The first thing you'll need is Python, and the second thing you'll need is PyCharm. So after you install those, go on PyCharm and create a new project. So I'll go to File, New Project, Create this window. So it will create a virtual environment. I have no idea what it does, but I know it does something. So I have to wait a moment. Okay, now we're gonna delete all of this. Then I'm gonna copy and paste in the code. It will be in the description. And by the way, thanks to Luca D. Felice for the code. His channel and video about the auto typer will be in the description. So after you type in the code, you will right click. So yeah, after you type in the code, you'll right click on main.py. You'll go to new file. You're gonna name it rank. You're gonna name it text. Then you'll go on it, and I'm gonna spam so, and you only have to do that twice, and you can spam it more. And then, after you're done with that, you can go into main.py, and you have 5 seconds to go onto the thing you're gonna spam. So you right click on it, then you press, before you do that, you gotta go to Python console, so this is open. So right click on it, run main, and I'm gonna go on untitled. I'll bring this out, and then it should spam. Oh, one more thing on this. You have to go to terminal and do pip install PyAuto. PyAuto GUI. Then you're good to go. You have to wait a second for it to all install mode. It doesn't take very long. It only takes 15 seconds. So you count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, so on and so on. It takes a bit, Okay, it did it. So now you're ready to right click, run main, and I'll go on Notepad, and then it should start typing in about 5 seconds. Sometimes it takes, and there we go. I'm not touching my keyboard. You can't hear my keyboard touching or anything, and it's spamming. So to stop the code, you have to do this, stop main, or until it runs out of words. So that's it. I hope this helped you guys, and that's it. So goodbye, and like and subscribe for more random tutorials.